Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Let's just get into this. I got my October glam bag from IPSY. It has the Murad Environmental Shield Essence Essential Sea Cleanser. It has that, which I use to wash my face. And then I have the Sunday polish, nail polish. And then I got the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. Then I got this incredible new Glow Girl. And then I have Nomad Stockholm eyeshadow. Foundation, I'm going to use my stick foundation that I got from Miss A. It's Flawless in the color Dusk. The best $1 I ever spent. Okay, the best. And I'm just gonna put that in my face. I'm gonna blend this out. I prefer to blend my foundations out with brushes because I just think it gives it a smoother look. Oh, I actually got this brush set from Pretty Peddlers. Shout out to my girl. And I'm gonna highlight. Hopefully this isn't too bright. I'm gonna take my beauty blender. Also got from Pretty Peddlers. Just press that in. And my phone is dying. Okay, now that I've done that, I'm gonna take my Miss A perfecting powder, setting powder, and it's in the color, but I'm just gonna set it because I don't want it creasing. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to go into my True Complexion Contour palette. I am going to get a contour brush from my Miss A Professional Sculpting palette. I don't know, wow, this is how it looks. And I'm going to grab this brush for my contour. And this brush from my from my nose contour. I'm gonna take the darkest, go right here, press that, and then I'm gonna go like right here, and I'm just gonna drag that down a bit, not way down, and I'm gonna brush it up. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a fluffy brush like this. I'm going to take my AOA press powder, the Flawless press powder, it's this, and the remainder of the powder I'm just going to dip my brush in it and I'm gonna dust it away. That I'm gonna take a fan brush, and I just got this gorgeous fan brush from Pretty Peddlers. You know I'm a unicorn, so I love unicorn stuff. Oh, I'm going into the same highlight contour palette, and I'm just gonna scratch the top of it. Because you know what they do to scratch the top. Oh yeah. I got the eyeshadow from Nomad, and it's a blue. It's like an electric blue eyeshadow. Ooh, this is how it looks. So I'm gonna do a very like simple look, but I'm gonna get my PH Cosmetics palette. That's how the colors look. And I'm gonna grab my, it's my favorite blending brush. I can't remember which palette, which thing I got this out of. Let me do like an orange for a transition. Not nowhere to be found. I don't know who he is, because I know who he is, but yeah, he just walked in, but I know who he is. Let's just put that out there. But yeah, I am going to go in with a brown, with a deep brown. And I'm gonna go into the eyeshadow. I'm gonna pop it right here. Ooh. Damn, maybe I should have done a cut crease. Ooh. And then I'm going to go back in with the brush that I used the brown shadow with, and I'm just going to blend out the edges of that. My orange isn't blended out well, so I'm going to just go back over that. I'm going to take the same brush that I used to put my eyebrow highlight, and I'm going to pop that right here. Right now I'm going to put the jelly that they gave me on. Let me see if you guys can see. Okay, that's a better swatch of it. And who could have too much highlighter, you know, and I'm just going to put it like right on top of my regular highlighter that I have. So yeah, and oh yeah, that looks beautiful on top of the blue. Okay, my full face. Like I said, it's the IPSY bag. I will put my code down to the bottom for IPSY for you to use it to sign up. Thank you guys for watching. Thank all of you. Remember, don't go broke pop styling for these niggas, and don't forget to always be you, because nobody else can. See you next video.